And due to FinTech's deep-rooted nature in digital technology, what do you believe the role of AI is to come to play in the development of FinTech in the years to come?
I mean, it's already now here, not only for FinTech, for all companies that, I mean, if you want to scale a company and with all the data, with all the digital footprint we give, from fraud detection to protect the company against cyber attacks, or to provide the personalized services. I think without AI, machine learning, it would not be possible. I mean, AI will play a role everywhere. But sometimes it's overhyped, but nevertheless, we're on the road to a world that AI, machine learning, will augment our lives, our work, and hopefully free us up from doing things that are maybe a little more boring. And if you want to scale data, it's not possible. I mean, the whole process, it would be extremely expensive and not feasible to have systems in place to go through all this data and come to conclusions. But again, I think it's a little bit overhyped, but every cool stuff is a little bit overhyped. That's beyond FinTech. Like, that's excitement. If it's a fashion brand or another brand, that's just part of the success story. And I think AI went through different AI winters, and I think we're in a good stage now. But I think there will be more exciting things to come.